reaction.
What's poppin' YouTube? You don't know say boy Type Vlogs aka The Reaction Boss, and we're back in with another video for you guys. Now comment on this video to see your comments right over there in the next video that I post. You understand me? Yes. Right now we're back in the Virgin Islands for you guys. I started doing reactions for the British Virgin Islands and the Virgin Islands in like it's this year basically, but that was on my main channel, well on the other channel which is now the main channel. This is the reaction channel, you understand me? So I hope you guys will gravitate to this channel also and come show the love over here. It's still the same lit me, you understand me? Just a different channel. Right now we just hit 10k subscribers. I want to say thank you all very much. But today we have a song called Blowing Up by the Wapp featuring Fredo Bang. Bumbuckle Bell, the dog got an international with this collaboration, people. Let me big up some people. Let's big up to Big Bang Studios, Impact Studios. You don't know a chat, big up everybody right here. They may have said, and shout out to the two artists them also. Check them out on Instagram. You can see what I'm going right now for the Bumbuckle Belt song. You ready? Are you not ready? Run tune!
Studio Impact Anyone.
Big up yourself.
Big Bang Studios.
Love it, we did it again.
You? Alright. So far, I like the beat. I love the view that I'm getting. And so far, it look good. I love what I'm seeing so far. What are your thoughts? Let's go. Look at myself, West Bank.
Niggas seen that blowing up, no niggas wanna come and fuck with me.
Yeah.
Been done for a long time, only real niggas coming up with me. Never thought I would make it big, they never really have believe in me. This may be the year right now, if your money long can't talk to me. Diamonds are my next stock to me. Made it out the hood luckily. Fuck niggas can't fuck with me. Real niggas know what's up with me. The whole hood show love to me. Real niggas forever stuck with me.
Private jet and I go on with a bag of things. The man say, yo. He said, what? Man say blowing up. Only real niggas going up with him. Which is right, brother. This is that. Look on the feature you have on a song here. Obviously, dog is blowing up. Evident. Go on some more.
Never thought I would make it big. They never really have believe in me. This may be the year right now. If your money long can't talk to me. Diamonds on my neck stuck to me. Made it out the hood luckily.
I hear that part, yo. Diamonds on my neck stuck to me. Diamonds on my neck stuck to me.
Niggas can't fuck with me. Real niggas know what's up with me. The whole hood show love to me. Real niggas forever stuck with me. I up know you can't stun on me. Little youths looking up to me. You know on the west side, you know we bust down. Free killer dog, pre-touchdown. If you ain't dropping hard, get a custom. Yeah, the weed green, we don't do brown. We don't do baggy, smoke the whole pump. Fuck all
wait, pause. I heard that the brown weed is actually good too. So you gotta explain that part. But he said, yo, the weed green when I do brown. But I heard that the brown weed is actually good too. So for the weed smokers out there watching the Reaction Boss right now, maybe I'm one of the biggest cliff right now. Comment down below. Is the brown weed so good? Does it give you that vibe that we're looking for? Want to light up a cliff? Let me know. Well, let me have a boss spot right there, so dog. Good!
Get the whole wrong. This a yeah, dog, ain't no playing wrong. I never thought I would have been big. Been the same nigga, me change still. Me stopping dog till I see a mill. Going keep pushing till I on the hills. Mama, we made it out. You ain't gotta worry about paying bills. I know this song might bring chills. This is the year, we blowing up. They have believe in me. No nigga showing up.
See him, sir.
In a two-door coupe, race car doing 80 on the highway. Trust me, dog, that's a fly.
80 on the highway, that's still legal, bro. You gotta go illegal speed limits over here.
Blowing up, they have believe in me. No nigga showing up. In a two-door coupe, race car doing 80 on the highway. Trust me, dog, that's a flyway. Gotta do it just the right way. Never seen that blowing up, no niggas wanna come and fuck with me. Been done for a long time, only real niggas coming up with me. Never thought I would make it big, they never really have believe in me. This may be the year right now, if your money long can't talk to me. Diamonds on my neck stuck to me. Made it out the hood luckily.
Alright, don't worry,
niggas can't fuck with me. Real niggas know what's up with me. The whole hood show love to me. Real niggas forever stuck with me. I up know you can't stun on me. Little youths looking up to me.
y'all
looking
thoughts
up
on
to
this
me.
video, this song? What are y'all thoughts? Let me know down below in the comment section, y'all. You feel me? If you done, and for make sure the video done, you know, because when I say, yo, you skip out the video, you know, watch the video to the end, it is done. Completed. So, as I was saying now, what are y'all thoughts on this music video right here? And also the song. You understand? Let me know what you think of it. Let me know if y'all like the video. The song, the message behind the song. I like the message behind the song and the video. It goes very well. You understand me? For what the title, from the title to the message. You understand me? And the visuals also. Because if you watch these older videos, you see it. You see the difference. You see everything. You understand me? And he got a feature on it like, yeah, he did his verse, that little thing. He did a little thing with his verse, Fredo Bang. Yeah, he did a thing, but the Wapp really, yeah. I feel him song still, so obviously I'm gonna shut it up more. You understand me? Fredo Bang at this point to me was just a name on the song for real, but the Wapp, yeah, mother thing. But anyway, it's been about Type Vlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. Hope y'all enjoyed that little video that I just did. You know what I mean? We're trying to post regular for you guys again, so y'all come and subscribe to this channel. This is a reaction channel again, you understand me? Once again, I say big up to Big Bang Tweeters, big up to Impact Tweeters also. You understand? Because the entire Virgin Islands, British Virgin Islands, big up on yourself. Because the whole Caribbean. And don't forget me yard now. Don't forget Jamaica. Alright, Reaction Boss gone. We have bangers posting on the main channel also, people. So go check it out. Terry Vlogs. Having American singing Caribbean music. It's posting Friday. So you guys got a few days to go check it out. But I got a banger posting today, man. This who does want to give me that coochie. You know what? Peace!